I'm the girl.
You're a girl. Very good. Did you make this one?
Yes.
Good job. Hulas na hulas ka, oh. Ayan yung activity niya for today. Let's go na. For pack lunch.
Yes.
And then, what happened? Oh, may kakwento to mami na. I want to know.
Fighting.
What?
With me.
Play with you. Who? Who play with you, anak? Who play with you? Who play with you? You play with?
Oh my
You have all friends. Wow. Ayan guys, kakatid ko lang kay Chamira. Ay, kakatid ka. Ito, pauwi na kami. Don't have umbrella, anak. Look at the clouds, anak, oh. It's about to rain. You don't have umbrella. Mama forgot the umbrella, anak. Yes, I forgot. Ayun guys, sobrang natutuwa kay Jamira. After school, nakakapagkwento siya, unlike Kuya Seth. So, yun lang.
Wow.
We are eating egg sandwich. Gutom siya oh, after OT. Yeah. Munch! What are you doing, Kuya? Tatanggalin yung teeth mo. Let's go. Kuya, look. Oh, uwi na tayo. We're done with the therapy. How's your therapy, Kuya? How's your therapy? Come on. Tell me a story. Story. You're just repeating what I've said. Come on, how's your therapy? 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 Teacher therapy. Who's your teacher today? Not teacher Abby, teacher Chris. Who's your teacher today? Okay, let's go na.